Hello, today we will guide you through how to deactivate Qualtrics survey. If you need to stop people from submitting new responses to a survey in Qualtrics, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can pause response collection with confidence. To begin, open your survey in Qualtrics and make sure you are on the Edit Survey page. This is the main survey builder area where you can review and manage your survey content. Starting here is important because it gives you access to the survey's main navigation options, including the section you'll need to deactivate incoming responses. Once you're on the Edit Survey page, look toward the top of the screen for the Distributions area. This is where Qualtrics manages how your survey is shared and how responses are collected. If you're not sure where to focus, just scan the top navigation bar until you find Distributions. When you see it, click on Distributions. This will take you to the section where survey delivery and response collection settings are managed. Depending on your Qualtrics layout, the page may show several options related to links, channels, or response management. That's normal, so don't worry if there are multiple panels or tabs visible. Next, find the option labeled Pause Response Collection and click it. This is the setting that stops new participants from being able to submit responses to your survey. It's a useful option when your survey period has ended, when you need to review collected data, or when you want to temporarily prevent any additional submissions without deleting the survey itself. After that, click Pause Response Collection again to confirm the action. Qualtrics may present this as a confirmation button or prompt, and this second click finalizes the deactivation. Once confirmed, your survey will no longer accept new responses until response collection is resumed. As a helpful tip, after pausing response collection, take a moment to verify that the survey status has updated correctly. This can help ensure the change was applied successfully. Also remember that pausing response collection does not remove the survey or erase existing responses. It simply prevents new ones from coming in, which makes it a safe option when you want to preserve your data while stopping access. That's all it takes to deactivate a Qualtrics survey by pausing response collection.